The World Nature Photography Awards 2025 have announced this year's outstanding winning works, showcasing everything from wildlife behavior and vibrant plant life to majestic natural landscapes. The Photograph of the Year award was won by photographer Maruša Puhek with her image titled "Run." The photograph captures two deer running through a vineyard blanketed in white snow. Speaking about her work, Puhek shared that Run is part of her 366-day project, during which she took one photograph every day throughout 2024. This image stood out as the most remarkable, taken on a snowy day when she was carrying only a wide-angle lens and happened to encounter the two deer racing through the snow-covered vineyard. Only when editing the photo did I realize how lucky I was not to zoom in too closely, but instead to capture the entire scene with the falling snow around them. Puhek reflected. This year marks the 6th edition of the World Nature Photography Awards, an event dedicated to honoring outstanding nature photographers from around the world while bringing the beauty of nature closer to the public.